In this video, we'll show you how to create a product, enable inventory tracking, make bulk edits, and much more. Let's begin by adding products. Start by navigating to Products and click Add Product to create a new listing. Enter your product title and description. Make sure your description clearly highlights key features and benefits. Upload product images to showcase your item. High-quality visuals improve conversions. Set your product price and configure additional pricing fields like Compare at Price or Cost per item if needed. Enable inventory tracking toggle to let Shopify monitor stock levels in real time. Next, enter available quantities for each location. Toggle this button to turn off, stop inventory tracking in Shopify. Choose whether to continue selling when inventory runs out by toggling Sell when out of stock. Expand More Details to add SKU and barcode for better inventory tracking and reporting. Click Save. Your product is now live and available in your Shopify store. Once you save, you'd be able to review the inventory states. On hand is total stock. Available is ready to sell. Committed is allocated. Unavailable is not sellable. You can view adjustment history to track every inventory change made to the product. You can view only the last 180 days of inventory adjustment history for a product or variant on the Adjustment History page. Go to Collections and create a new collection. In this case, we are creating a collection to hide out-of-stock products. Set rules, for example, products with low inventory, to dynamically organize your catalog. You can use different filters to hide specific products. Once saved, your collection updates automatically based on these conditions. Once you click on Bulk Edit, an inventory table will open up where you can make the desired changes for multiple products at the same time. SKU edits are preserved in place so viewers can track exactly which row is changing and how the new value is entered. You can easily manage inventory in bulk by editing quantities directly across product variants. And that's how you create a product, track inventory with basic settings, and automate collections in Shopify.